abusia baby biara wo no encha kese pa enkoma Mr. If this is the first time watching WiseUp TV, please don't forget to say subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to WiseUp TV. Like and share and comment and so abusia ehun ehia. Yo abusia medical can be say Ghana. Oh my Ghana enye obi adia. Ghana enye obi adia ye nyina ye beto Ghana. Ye nyina ye beja Ghana ho na yakọ enti se sabi ensem bi koso a abusua we must take a note of that thing ne abusia ho say ade na koso no edai and de bebre oman no because nye se bia obi asore ya na or act anyhow abusia I'm said just recently Captain Smart wa introduce program bi on Onua TV ya ono ana a TV station and in the radio station I just said omo introduce program bi a your friend no the People's Assembly aye na yenim said the People's Assembly no esi etie na esi ekofa eye ade bia eye very good abusia eye very good to say you bet to me highlighting some people and now you bet to me a be any pebi adwinmu. Okay, but ye mu bebre no yen share that emusaye. What is the reason why Captain Smart has introduced this program? Na biawo no so no sa program na omo I introduce no, what is their purpose of introducing this program? Now abusia asam kakra me pese ye che ewa ha sei no, and they say said the purpose of this the People's Assembly and now say Captain Smart the purpose ne say o man Ghana no ebekoso na abusia we shouldn't forget emire bi na okra kura pa nkra kura ana nkra nyina ekọ edwa ebodwa jakese pa ana omo epe ekwan a omo befa so a omo ebeyi okra afiri ho anase okra eba your friend say omo beti ne nkan omo aide omo adwane abusia tie me ye ba bekasa tie me pa na omo bo adwane a omo echechire wo madwene no ana obi a kire adwene nanso adwene ne mfa ana akura kitikiti bi wo akura kitikiti o man nsa so no so wo adwenkyere and you say okay akura ketwa bomode na so fo adwenkyere ebra and wo kan say wo kra aya aboa bi a wo haye enti se betumi a yamamade ani amfa adoma ento okra ko sade be ya na so okra e ba bi e be wo bia no ye wo bia ye hia no anase ba bia ye hu nipa bi anase ye nua akura bi anam no obete na wadwane for his or her life's sake. Na abusia waka asam na chesa asam na edo asumu pa enti gani nyina bo modern so obobo mo nsam ama akura ketwa ne se empanimfo nyina atete ho no ana akura wo ketikiti se what me the idea kakraka ente se abai enye omu bonu hey na abusia akura biti ho no mo ate wonya sasa adwene no na ni wo mutirim ba se bibi ntira akokura no ma ne nsa so a se ana omo ka se na je enya solution awie na akokura je atwa wa won kasa afa de ne se wo ba be ha ya ni time we abusia no mo ma akokura no kwan se ya ma 2 minutes pe fakasa because what na hache eti akokura no so luckily na na asem obekane na enwa ana obusa nkura ni nyina se yo me na na ketwa di adwene na tudwa nanso hwan ana wode sa adoma no ekwakwakwato okra eko na chese abusia etoda bia de me pa kan kosia ne se ye betumi aye dede hey ye bebodwa enipa be som because Ghana for ye mududu na ye behavior na ko ese ye nteye na mom de dodo na beka no eno ane efolo anasa je nipa kakra beka na ebe gitin no eno ane efolo na ansa na beko sa asem wo isu no abusua me kai wo say program no the truth must be told say the title no etiano no my video be about this budget 2021 I dey kwako right here 2022 no abusua my video about it say this budget bogus. This budget, it is not something that we should entertain as Ghanaians. Abusia said ye etie no maki kama adwene nti say wo de be jai link no ato say wo pe your friend is saying video no ahwa wo de ko description box ni mu ubehu sa video no link no na de click so ubetumi ahwe abusia because why say yaba be 11 na to levi yagu no ne e de kwa kohye 11 mu ade bia enye papa enti no maka ma adwene e wo hopa na busan back to asem a ye kan about this Captain Smart just say the program say all launch here the People's Assembly no no ana mi busa me ho say abusia is there any master brain behind it and now say Captain Smart within himself no or yet this program with his clear conscience. And when I talk about clear conscience, I mean with a good heart. Okay. Abusha just recently, this program yibia, the People's Assembly. Them said, Bemoshe ne some guests, innocent, and just Kofi 2020, Kofi for 2024 say one man beat sir and some other guys sir and just omo and a guest omo ekasa ye. Na abusia e won say the air call my Ghana mu no enye Captain Smart a program a wa launch no e program bi a abusia say kasa mani nya ho ana meboa. Say me kasa mani nya ho ana meboa. But making this program without any agenda behind and also risky into say Captain Smart agenda na agenda anything abusia yewram one Captain Smart and wo matter say abusia omo back Captain Smart idea we say no the purpose of the program no and say asembuso and say one wo mo person politicians no and who omo fault na omo correct no anase womo ewo agenda bi se womo pese chese womo sabotage the MPP NDC thing na womo so was some person behind that womo pese womo introduce that person in 2024 election because abusia sabi obi nya na ade kwa na se omo obi a omo pese omo introduce no in 2024 election ne dia nanye the question is that person capable because this MPP and this semi abusi obi ane hono ma oba onto ni pamrade Obian honoma oba onka de 20 person but at the end of the day no na just ade no asa agiegu truly said the Captain Smart aka memefo ane so say was support uprising eye ade a no kra nyame anim nie me baake no because jewo Yeah, you be a hoya be a yato. I am na metry ye na mom eye Ghana. The patriotic songs no a movie. I was say arise Ghana youth for your country. And tis a president be and as a leader be at the or minor air called decha. It is up to the youth to stand up. Now, the youth will stand up na dear, Abusia and no dear. Obinim. And a crime beyond so I better so I best sorry no. Abusia, the Yan say ya sorry. And to see a shot, say be a president to be, and you net you may name or your mind Ghana air called ditch there. Then the youth must arise. Was it the nation demands your devotion? And what I see a dear near ding, and I see a brebre yet, and a best soreno. I was set you to know, I do a mohoma. So a woman and como, I was set you to know, I do a mohoma. And not any devotion, no. Let us all unite, and not dear message, sa idea, no, membai. Nemom, we need understanding. We must understand each other. Now, when you bet to me understanding each other, is said you to me bring your language back. And now President Kufuor, the former president, introduce you here. Now you need understanding. You need understanding. Into a jigu here. Was it let us unite to uphold her? Eti emfa ho sa wo ya santini ana emfa ho sa wo ya bunani o ya anwunani anasa wo ya siremuni once Ghana no eda ye nyina ye so ne de eni kwan se de tribalism nemom o se ye base ni pa baako ne ye so man Ghana mu se opani bi enye na adwuma yi a eti ode kwa wie ye no and was see enya sanka bom we near the ma ama Ghana so a and I said defend on my Ghana ebe mo on my no aye great ebe man aye kese pa na asa ye din okay abusia enti sasem no e na ye ba begina so aye ba be kasa enti so twa Ghana bakwasem mu a could the tag bebre abetwam because said nam penimfo bi ade man no ditch. But the question is woman omu betu aban no na omu obishna na omu ni service nti abusua e ma aban ko na aban aba ane ade bewura the fourth republic. Okay, and this is my point, say Captain Smart. Debiara da no wafa nkrofo ana sabio obia eba wo bekyere na dwenkyere. Eye very good. Me back that idea no. But do they have any second point? Say ya opinion bi a ye person introduce no. Na 2024 ya mano ababa begina. Etia MPP ni NDC ana say ya endorse sa opinion no e de ama Ghana fo ana say eye sa dia na ne abusia I say prepare you because I know ya de bobusia no enye sa no kro na e de tua Ghana mi hu se chese political party bi aba am ya ka se wabu o man ye da bia obi nya adie it is Captain Smart womo epese omu correct mpanimfo ne dia anya abusuan chese you very good you very good. Me person me who said Captain Smart, what is his purpose of doing this? Because just recently, the one that I watched, I was Jamaica once a much the win. Just a wood yet the reasons are Omude Emma. And it is a binumunsu reasons are Omuchra such as a Kufwado and Yadiana, a Busham, a Mufabet Dodwana and Fakwemu. Obi Hanuma, the reason is a Kufwado and Nini. Obi Hanuma, the reason just a baby basa. Especially this stupid Abraham Ben Moshe. This guy, stupid guy, as he is, say Ebia on himself, just he is wiser than everybody. Abusia, but being too wise, not just it turns you to be a stupid. Because Obia ya mind. Na ye pe the reason why intia omana enkwa nanimu a sabi asamo a ye de etu wanim no eno ene wo so bohwe na woka. Instead of him to tackle the issue on ground no na fe wasa kofa ena nyamesom Meanwhile, we are not talking about religion. We are not tackling religion. We are tackling what the leaders should do or what the leaders are doing wrong. The issue on ground was why the leaders are doing this and that. Emma in Abraham Ben Moshe's speech, even the empenimfo no, and I say empenimfo omudi or my Ghana so no. Omono and the brain. Say Yakasa Ghana is a body. They are the brain part of Ghana. And we have the legs, the mouth, just divided yankasa. It is a brain and who as a more. Abusha, young quati brain, no, and I say, young fat leg as some day. Emmamu, Nemum get treated brains, no, every. And son ye treat ye no, see our leg of one somewhere, yet the baby bloom. This is truth must be told. It is a captain, Sabi. So, what your programmer enter say, and as a boy do my enter say, and not just a Sabio will be a popular, and as will be Mukasa, Fanubra Betanaso. Because this thing that you are doing, no, I was said the people mind should go one place. And you can see divided attention. Because this one, or you can say, so is the problem from religion, and I said the problem from politics. Abu Sabiana won't see a video, no. Would you just say any parts in the kakra? Now, what the yamra?
I'm saying, Nancy, I'm for best idea. Me jai like politics as some kakakra because some men take it time. Menya abaya money because me dio mwa temwa omobusu afu ewu nyina mukro mu ahemfo nyina bejibi because ohwe captain ohwe enipa kra ewo oman we mu ne bosi omobo no ko omobo bosi ande po na ko mo so ye lie eno mo obi adwetira anke yankase be change abrabo says ka mo kwaji omo so ye lie po no mo obi adwetira se je na fe kobo bra anka oman ne kra sesa je se empanyimfo ye so wicked sa metena se na mehwe mu age nso mu nya and the baby imagine be ameka because omampanyin na nado obesi kati drama nyankopon e kristoni bible ne se ye fish anda e 70 aburu so 80 bible ne ye no kra na nado wo 77 na ka 3 years na wawu o gidie wo wiase me dwunwa mentiase o opeso live luxurious life me nim life opeso live o wiase wo de mu ye no mu boy na ye tiase na bro e chirimba lithium ya modi akosi awowa
lithium
no for 60 years
lithium yeah
nti o pay na nadu be wuma memeba kra ma wo no kra no meba ne be wu kra ne yentu aka ne wie ada ne ye ho sa hwe captain empire bo bebrebe ne ye bo no okro ma no obi entie mu amwetu kwan bebrebe no especially uye kristoni a okubro ni krom developed country pe na ya ye wo se onyame so mo ya asesa e de ntia adwuma ebema unya kwan mo mpae bebre ada no bi wo me ne wo kasa ndey e working day and Tuesday obi ni mpae ba yama reverend bofo ayama nti obi ka say religion is the opium of the masses. It's like a painkiller. Politician no one messing up your life. Na wo di yaw, na wo ni adwuma, na wo di we bufo be call politician so no. Bible na ka kire say, mo fa mo haw ne mo dadwe nyanto awurade so esan se wodwene mo ho. Etu hye prayer camp e na usu afre say awurade e ma wadwuma. Ada na se otu kwan ekoduru US na o krata nyina ye papa. O mo mpa ye nsra adwuma. Na emum o mobile phone so wo fie na adwuma na tata. Ti America yen ko pray for me say me pay adwuma ne bu wo pay miensa wo benya ye wo pay nan wo benya ye eda no ye calculate garbage truck obi otwi bolaka e wo US a e 118 Ghana cedi an hour, over 100 Ghana, over 120 Ghana 1 hour biao chebe den na Ghana ni free Ghana enkotwi bola wa brochiri. Jesus can say the kingdom of heaven is within you. Into a change of mindset. Debiaka adwena nya dwuma ni pedua ne bebre. So man Ghana na esi wo no eti no ayo man payin na nado. Omo no mo ya adwen no. Wow. Ti captain ye mo na mo ya no. Media for na ya no. Ya no na black adwen no ye. Na black star for na ye nan. Wow. Na ebi mo ye nsa ne ade. Nti adwen no na ye mpanyimfo ne nya adwuma. Ye ne ye wodan ne nyina ye bebre.
Aban bi amara so a wo ya aban papa da odo se me chese memfo na akofo ado ni 11 no so any MPP 11 no memfo aso kra debi memfo aso kra abusia, but memfo aso no doesn't mean say sabi what that ya bra no ama akora so. And the NDC for can be Abusa, the question that I'm asking, and they say NDC, say MPP every soir, are they capable? Say get na at the danko ekufuado ya almost say enyano. They can do better than that now. If say they can do it, they are then why say omo ever opposition? Na ebiamu no so no se Captain Smart de woye ye tu MPP abayagu enam kudi tamu si ye tu MPP abayagu enti captain ye fa se Ghana president is he capable ana na if he is not capable there abusia na tese anya bia there is someone behind these ideas. Ebi obi chechire anasa in 2024 omo pese omo introduce obi a chese abusia. The question I was saying no mienu yebusi a hone say is that person capable? Because politicians aba I'm a politicians ko obi na hono ma oba one card dokodoko sem nanso obi anso ntimi satisfy obi ani sida abusia. Sometimes it is easier said than done. Ube to me aka approve nanso abusia se aka se beja eho ana di kokrom ebeba enti dia Captain Smart asha ase no abusia ya dia me support, but on kan hu se owo obi ewo akire na se etu MPP ne NDC abangu menkasi entu omumu na emom enoma enkoye enti se etu omugu a sani pan wantumi ama wo mangana anko nanim within 2, 3, 4 years abusia and the same thing ebetu ni pan because omom ye ku anoma ankoye nyina no abusia ye de ku na etu wo mo where your truth must be told. Abusia aha menya politics. Many politician biafa, but baby ano kura na edano na ye biato. We have some people kura na Chesa Captain Smart eh say omo sha se so omo kasa eni kwan so omo to aso. Because some of the commenters who were saying say I was here to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo because when yini we ayam kwara adwen. We ayam kwara adwen enti ni kwan so ma say nipa no ekasa. Because you are pregnancy, your penny yansani, san you walk akwasia, and you open your kwasia so. And a sabi, woman did another, someone like this stupid Abraham Ben Moshe, our din another, and fear, and a casa, send another 70 years. With this 70 years in Tinkanya on your day. It is a program that Captain Woyano, Sir Woyano, in the way, Sir Woody Tumpen in front of Sadia Bay or Money Babom Hoso dia. And the captain, acquire a bit more Casano. They must be careful. Because someone like you, Captain yourself, any Abraham Bemoshe, I can say, what did the Tamwa, I said, what the president. Just what the government not tema enya tem didie na say dem di kan ye no say ye atem didie na sesa wo ma anko mo sesa ye anka ye way back say one mo agenda bi say dem panimfo no ekon enkoyie enti mo ehhehya mo ho na mo di ababa be gitumi na menimu ni asem. But you shouldn't forget say susukuru wa be susu ama obi no se kuru wa akro na eno ani be susu di ama abusia eti asem a me pese me busa na obi ekire me mu and they said what is the purpose of Captain Smart doing this thing? So oh yeah some penifo no ebe sesa anasa oye ama Ghana mano ani abom ho so na chese sa whom you know about one na tantantan ene yama obi sika nti mo koto abama me no sa je no atu atwa anasa o agenda bi se wo obi a opeso on do so no in 2024. These are the questions abusia awasa me no mienu ye hwehwe ehon answer anya sa enipa bi abedane wo mu se ehan bofo nanso na wo mu a ene ba beku ya abusia ye nkasa nche wo de fo adwenkyere no efa bra abusia fo adwenkyere no wo de fa bra about this the purpose because me not sure say enipa do no ehunu the purpose enti a Captain Smart at the area this program like me nya ehunu the purpose but when it comes to the Ghana youth to stand up eno de abusia say eyanu nti dia ene eyekrogen because the leaders must be accountable to the people in the country. Oba buni pa kwase ache. Abusanti for adwenkyere bra about this program as I say Captain Smart no. Does it worth it? Yes, I know say it's worth it, but to you does it? Because sometimes no bet me about the casa but ye the idea ni sha wonsa abusua bia enkoyie ebesa nkura. We are not here in the name of any political party. Eti abusua wa mesumi hu adwenkyere say eye kasa hunu anasa dey because adiana Captain Smart no eye de nanso wanhwe ye a or set time bomb e de amana ho because when now go and so panyin bi anasa wunim nasa wa umu na pese obe president nasa wunyanya aba ni wia abusua nasa want to me and deliver ehona ubehu se ehhehye eho ubehu se ehhehye abusua asema make ni nyina ne say if the youth of Ghana esi omo sori a men ni hu problem because the patriotic song no ya ade bia ehye kena say the youth must arise. If something is not going on well, they must arise, or we must arise against that thing. And if the youth, I you imagine say almost sorry, no problem. But what Captain Smart, no, idea be good, but at the same time, the busha because this thing can cause a big damage to the country. So you to know sorry say woman penifon this year it's right. And at the same time no Abusia so many say they are not capable, or they have somebody behind them, or they have somebody in their mind say omudi pray to me nase anunti no mu yes anoma we so a and they must be extra careful because said them penimfo kan ye no penimfo na omu etra patriotic song no omu aso na kato ho say aba ye de ebotachi no eno a ena ba so wodi nkwase asem a ye de bebo no. It's in the history of Madagascar ye nya kudita hodo bebre ni nyina ne say we betu egu a the certain government no enam say onye capable ninti no abusia obi nso e de say kudita na etuniku. So if the youth are rising against these corruptions, nasa young consider the hardship in this world. Nemo yese Ghana nko a ana sabio sa no mafunu we kwasunti anya yese Ghana nko a ana yeye ndie de anya boroso nti ye besore a eye pa but ye sore no ni abusi ye ho say if this president free so do we have any person who is capable on my excuse say we have to give him or her some time for him to fix things there any many Ghana for air call pepe yen na ebe ka bom na nipa wo sefata a yesusu se wo no e de betumi e de akoye nim no abusua ye de say nipa na ba. But one thing I was saying me dey hwe ni ye ni say politicians are not people like the trusty woman. And I will be also but try so be man asem aye de say o dey ba power enti enfam say e bia Captain Smart was second agenda bi abusuasi anhwe ni ya wa ha ebe ha adwen enti abusuade fo adwen kire efa atudwa say na the first time I wo dey hwe WhatsApp TV a bomode eya no wa subscribe na uwie nsu a o comment no ho ehia o comment no ho hia and na wo de ya wo chese ya no like no wa share WhatsApp TV your programs no abusu chese ba bibiara wo no Eradi Insha wo pa ya besa share bio na until we meet again no abusu have a blessed time. Bye bye.